In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add code in Webflow. First, head to your Webflow account and open your site's dashboard. This is where you'll see all your projects. From here, click Dashboard to view your sites, then select the specific site you want to work on. We're going to start by adding code at the site level, which is great for things like analytics, meta tags, or scripts that should load on every page. Open the site's settings and navigate to the custom code section. You'll see fields where you can paste code that lives in the head and in the footer. As a quick guideline, CSS, meta tags, and verification snippets usually go in the head, while most JavaScript performs best in the footer so it loads after the page content. Look for the area labeled to paste custom code to embed on your site and add your snippet there. When you're done, remember that changes here take effect after you publish the site. If you see a message saying custom code is locked, that means this feature requires an active site plan. Click the prompt to add a site plan if you need to unlock it. Once that's set, you can return to your dashboard. Next, let's add code directly on a page inside the Webflow designer. From your site's dashboard, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer for your chosen project. Once inside, open the Add panel and use the search bar to find the Embed element, sometimes called the Code Embed component. Click it and place it exactly where you want the custom code to appear on your page layout. A code editor window will open. Paste your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript into this editor. This is perfect for one-off widgets, custom forms, embed scripts from third-party tools, or any small block of code that should live in a specific spot on a single page. Save or close the editor when you're done. A quick note: scripts won't fully run inside the designer preview. To properly test your embeds and scripts, publish the site and check the live URL. That way you can confirm everything loads in the right order and behaves as expected. Finally, remember that access to both site-wide custom code and the Code Embed component requires a paid Webflow account or an active site plan. Once you've added your code and published, you're all set. You now know how to add code in Webflow at the site.